What if I told you Florida still has homes that feel like hidden opportunities, but most people scroll right past them? Today, we're touring 3 very different homes. One that feels almost too affordable to be real, one that completely redefines small space living, and one that quietly delivers a lifestyle upgrade you don't see coming. Each one tells a different story. And somewhere in this video, there's a house that might actually change how you think about buying in Florida. And quick moment before we jump in, putting these tours together takes a lot of time, research, and effort behind the scenes. So if you enjoy exploring homes like this, the easiest way to support us is simple. Hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment telling us which homes you want to see next. Sharing it with a friend who loves real estate helps more than you think. $50,000 in Florida. Sounds impossible, right? But this one might surprise you. Tucked inside a quiet community in Lake Wales, this double-wide home isn't about flashy luxury. It's about smart living, space to breathe, and finally having a place that feels like yours, without the massive price tag. Pulling up, you've got a covered driveway and a screened front porch, already giving you that laid-back Florida vibe. Imagine slow mornings here, coffee in hand, warm air coming through the screen, no rush, no noise, just calm. And here's the thing, at this price point, you're not buying perfection, you're buying possibility. Step inside and the layout opens up more than you'd expect. The living area feels relaxed and casual. Easy to picture a movie night, a gaming setup, or friends hanging out on a weekend. Quick question, how many places under 50 grand actually give you room to live, not just sleep? Exactly. The kitchen keeps things practical, with a breakfast bar that naturally becomes the center of everyday life. Late-night snacks, quick breakfasts before work, conversations that go longer than planned. Plus, plenty of cabinets to keep everything organized. And with a separate dining area, you've got flexibility. Dinner with friends or maybe a small home office setup if that's more your vibe. Both bedrooms come with walk-in closets, which honestly feels like a small luxury at this price. The primary bathroom adds a walk-in shower. Simple, clean, functional. Nothing overcomplicated. Just easy living. And yes, central AC and heating means comfort year-round. Because Florida without AC? No thanks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Step out back, and you've got a large fenced yard. Picture weekend grilling, a dog running around, string lights at night, maybe a fire pit if you're feeling ambitious. There's even an enclosed shed for storage, bikes, tools, or all the stuff you swore you'd organize someday. Big ticket items already handled too. A C replaced in 2018, roof in 2015. That means fewer immediate surprises, and that's a big deal when you're buying as is. The neighborhood stays quiet, and daily essentials are close by, so you're not driving forever just to grab groceries or coffee. And let's be real for a second, homes at this price don't sit forever. The price is firm, the setup is simple, and for someone looking to get into the Florida market without crushing debt, this could be that entry point. Because sometimes the dream isn't a mansion, sometimes it's a place that's truly yours, affordable, comfortable, and full of potential. And trust me, the next house on this list takes a very different approach, and you're going to want to see it. All right, imagine waking up in Florida, walking into a bright sunroom, coffee in hand, and realizing this place is actually yours. Welcome to Clermont, where this surprisingly polished park model is quietly proving that small homes can live big. First impression? Clean, simple, and move-in ready. Fresh paint, new laminate flooring, and those large, low-E windows instantly change the mood. Sunlight pours in, making every room feel open and alive. You're not walking into a project here. You're walking into something that's already done for you. Step inside and notice how the layout flows. The main living area feels airy and flexible, giving you options. Cozy movie nights, a work-from-home setup, or just a calm space to unwind after a long day. And the kitchen. Updated tones, practical counters, and enough space to cook without feeling boxed in. Nothing flashy, just smart, comfortable design that makes everyday life easy. Now here's the twist. Technically, this is a one-bedroom home, but that finished Florida room changes everything. Picture it as a guest room, a creative studio, a gaming space, or even a second bedroom. That extra flexibility is the kind of hidden value buyers love, and honestly, not everyone notices it right away. The bedroom itself keeps things simple and functional, with built-in storage that saves space and keeps the room feeling clean. One bathroom, easy to maintain, no wasted square footage. And yes, washer and dryer included in the shed, which means less hassle and one less thing to buy. Step outside for a second. A small front deck gives you that perfect spot to sit back in the evenings, maybe meet neighbors, maybe just watch the quiet rhythm of the community. And this isn't just any park. You're looking at 3 pools, pickleball courts, a golf course, and activities that make it feel more like a lifestyle than just a place to live. Here's where things get real. Homes that are truly move-in, ready under this price range, don't hang around long, especially when the AC and heating were updated recently and the big upgrades are already done. At around 800 square feet, it's efficient, manageable, and honestly, kind of freeing. Because sometimes the dream isn't more space. Sometimes it's less stress, lower maintenance, and more time actually living your life. And trust me, the next house on this list takes the vibe in a completely different direction, and you're definitely going to want to see it. What if your next home didn't feel like a compromise, but like an upgrade to your everyday life? Welcome to Ocala, where this beautifully maintained villa proves that comfort, space, and peace of mind can actually come together. And honestly, the moment you pull up, you feel it. That front porch? It sets the tone right away. Quiet, welcoming, and perfect for slow mornings or evening chats while the neighborhood settles down. And here's the first little surprise. This home doesn't just look cared for. It feels loved. You can tell someone really took pride in every detail. Step through the door, and you're greeted by a wide open living and dining space that instantly feels calm. Clean lines, natural light, and plenty of room to actually live, not just decorate. Picture hosting dinner, watching the game, or just stretching out after work with zero cluttered feeling. The layout flows effortlessly, guiding you toward the heart of the home. And that kitchen? It's built for real life. Generous counter space, tons of storage, and a snack bar that turns into the unofficial gathering spot. Because somehow, everyone always ends up in the kitchen, right? Whether you're cooking something simple or going full chef mode. It just works. Now here's where things get interesting. The cozy family room adds a second living space. Movie nights, reading corner, home office, maybe even a gaming lounge. And just beyond that, a bright year-round lanai with heat and air. This isn't just extra square footage. It's the kind of space that changes how you live. Morning sunlight, quiet afternoons, maybe plants everywhere if that's your thing. And when you want that classic Florida breeze, step into the screened porch and just relax. The primary bedroom feels like a retreat, with its ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet giving you that everyday comfort we all secretly want. A second bedroom and full bath keep things flexible for guests or hobbies. And yes, everything is on one level, making daily life smooth and easy. Here's a detail you might not expect. The 2-car garage has its own Mitsubishi AC unit. Imagine a cool space for projects, workouts, or simply storing your car without turning into a sauna. Little upgrades like that make a huge difference over time. And the big-ticket peace of mind items? Already handled. Newer roof from 2021, updated AC from 2018, quality windows, plus thoughtful touches like solar tubes bringing soft, natural light into the home. No major stress, no big surprises, just move in and start living. Outside, you're part of a vibrant community. Golf, pools, fitness center, tennis, activities. It's less about just owning a home and more about stepping into a lifestyle. The kind where your weekends actually feel like weekends. And here's the thing. Homes this clean, this ready, and this balance between comfort and value don't stay available for long. You can feel the easy living vibe the second you walk in. Because sometimes the dream isn't bigger. It's smarter. It's calmer. It's waking up and knowing you chose right. And wait until you see the next home. The energy shifts again, and it might just steal the spotlight. So, 3 homes, 3 totally different vibes. From budget-friendly potential to clever space-saving design to a move-in-ready lifestyle that just feels easy. Now I'm curious, which one felt most like your future? The hidden deal, the cozy lifestyle setup, or the upgraded villa experience? If you enjoyed the tour and want more Florida homes that are actually worth seeing, this is the perfect time to subscribe. A quick like, a comment, or sharing the video with a friend really helps us keep making these walkthroughs. And honestly, we appreciate every single person watching. Stick around, because the next walkthrough might feature the kind of home people regret not seeing sooner.